Hey guys, I had a few people asking me about taking apart the ISDT charger just to have a look at the resistors for balancing inside of it, if there even is any. So, yeah, we're gonna try and open it without damage. From what I've seen online, I had to take the top off, and the screws should be in the corner to take it apart. I have no idea if it even has resistors in it for balancing, but it might all be done with software for all I know. Let's get to it. Okay, I've seen a few people warm this up before they take it off. I'm just going to basically try and use my scalpel here and just work my way in and work my way around without warming it up. Which seems to be working. Okay, the screen is stuck to the plastic here. Be very careful of that. The actual touch screen is where you touch to change the settings. Is the soft touch controls are there. They're not on the LCD itself, which drops out, and there's a little clip in here. Go. And that's the LCD. There's the 4 screws. Don't think. Yeah, that's not the right one. Duh. Wasn't working. Yep. Whoa, those are tight. This has never been opened, obviously. I'll say one thing though, the case is very nice. Like it's not cheap plastic. It's very thick, even on the inside. Okay, so it's going to take to get this cover out. There we go. So touch is there. That's for the soft touch controls there. That's up and down and start. And then there's 3 pins going to that. Okay. Now this would be nice if it just dropped out. But nothing is that easy. So that's disconcerting. These screws here, I think they hold the heatsink on. The one there was super loose. This one's loose. They're not very tight. I think I can already see the balance resistors, and they are so freaking small. There's just no way it would balance properly. Okay, well, there really is not much to it. Let's unplug the fan. So there's the fan, the shroud. And that's basically what it looks like. One big heat sink, which I don't see any more screws. So I'm missing something. Where's my eyeglass thingy? No. Nope. The only thing that can be holding that heatsink down now is just whatever goop is on there, the heat pad. There it goes. And a big heat pad at that. Oh, because it's also covering the resistors for the balance. Ooh, it's like super goo. I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, that's terrible. I'm gonna see if I can exchange that with something different. I might use Tapcon tape instead. That works just as good. Leave a nice gooey mess. Okay, let me just have a quick look at this to see what's what. Okay, from what I can see, these are FETs here, obviously. These are your resistors for the balancing. Actually, they're pretty big. The number on each resistor is 1ROO, 2R70. Actually, most of them are 2R70, so I'm guessing those are the balance leads, or the balance resistors. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So the 2R70 are the balance resistors. So I'm letting you have a better look at those resistors. Right there. They are actually quite big considering the device, the size of the device. But to just start stacking resistors on top of them probably wouldn't be a good idea, because for one, you got the heatsink would have to be modified. If you're willing to do that, I say go for it. You can see a bunch of MOSFETs there. I know these ones on the end here are definitely MOSFETs. They're all cooled. Really is not much to it. Turn it over. The other side's got a bank of transistors on it. That's part of the balance. Part of the balance board. What these do is they switch the resistors on and off when they hit the proper cutoff voltage. So this is the back side of the board. There really is not much on it. Serial number there. Version number. The rest of those 3 pins make contact for the touch screen. Yeah, that's about it. Couple of oddball chips. You had to look up the numbers for them. It passed, which it has. It actually works pretty good. So yeah, I wouldn't. Like, you can see the way this is cut out here. There's this thing. I have no idea what that is. It's just a choke or something, and that just sits in there like that. So you wouldn't be able to stack anything on that without modifying the heatsink. So it's, I wouldn't do it. I mean, I'm running something on the outside that seems to be working pretty good, and the charger doesn't know the difference. Put this back together. I'm not gonna bother with this gooey junk that was inside. It's all broken down. You can just basically cut out a piece of Tapcon tape and put it in there. It has, it still transfers the heat pretty good. Good enough. If it blows up, I'll do a follow-up on it, but I don't think it will. But I figured I'd show you that. Those are the resistors you'd have to monkey with. Later, guys.